with another video. Life has been absolutely crazy, but you guys, I have my Boxycharm Premium today, and I have my base box for September. So I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be combining these into one huge video. So I'm going to quickly go through and unbox everything that came in my base box as well as my premium. And then we're going to take all of the products and we're going to create a look using all of the products. So I'm so super excited to try this. If you guys prefer just one big video versus the two separate videos, definitely let me know in the comments, and I can make this a regular thing. But let's go ahead and get into it. So for those of you that don't know, the base box is a $25 a month subscription, and then the premium box is $35. This is what the inside of the base box looks like. So the theme for this month is BTS. Now, I don't know exactly what this stands for. Some people are saying it's back to school. Some people are saying it's behind the scenes. I'm thinking it's back to school because it is back to school time. So I'm just going to say it's back to school. But it does have the card with, you know, the prices and everything. So when I go and edit the video, I will put the prices below. So the first thing that I see is by Dr. Brandt. This is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. Dr. Brandt makes amazing skincare. So I'm really excited to try this. So this is what it looks like. And girl, $46. Now I can see paying $46 for like an actual skin treatment, or, you know, something that helps with acne or like a mask or something like that. But girl, eye cream, I don't know. But this is 0.5 ounces and it's a pretty big size. So, I mean, I could see this lasting a really long time, but I just don't know if I would pay that for this. But we're going to see how this works. So that's the first thing. The next thing that came in here, ooh, come through packaging. Okay, so this looks like a brush set or something. Yes, so this is the Elena Badgerow Baby Blues set. So this is a 3-piece brush set. So it's a little pouch right there. And then these are the brushes. So you kind of have like a slanted brush that I would use for like contour, or you could use for blush. You have your blending brush, and then you have a angled brush. So this is really cute. This retails for $58, which I can see that because of the packaging and everything. So that came in there. So the next thing is by Insert Name Here. That's the name of the company, Insert Name Here. And this is their Quick Slick Hair Essence. So this is kind of like a hair mascara, which obviously I would not use a product like this right now, but blowout season is upon us, okay? So when I get my blowouts, like right here where I do my side part, I always get like those little flyaways and everything. So I'm probably not gonna use this in the try-on right now, but I will do a review on this after I get my hair blown out and show you guys how this works for me. So I'm gonna put that to the side. The next thing I would definitely be using, this is the Saint Luxe Brow Gel. Really cute. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you guys, this retails for $22. And then the brow gel also retails for $22. So I'm going to open this up. That is what it looks like. So it's just a regular brow gel, has kind of a short wand. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this because I'm currently using the Makeup Forever one, but the one that I have is definitely about to run out. So I'm definitely going to use that. And then the last thing that came in my base box is by Blink Cosmetics. This is their Glow Getter Face Palette. Now, you guys know I am always down for a good face palette, like anything where I can get like a lot of products all together. I am all for that. So this is what the palette looks like. So I really do like this sleek packaging. It does have a nice size mirror. And then this is what the palette looks like. So this is really cute. This retails for $50, and then you have your 4 matte blushes at the top, and then you have your highlighters at the bottom. And you guys know I'm all about that blush and that glow life, okay? So I absolutely cannot wait to try this in the TryOn. So that is everything that came in my base box. So let's go ahead and move into the premium. I'm super excited about, first thing, my girl Rihanna with the Fenty Beauty, okay? Like, listen, I am super duper excited. So this is the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows Mix and Match palette. So I have been wanting to try this, and so this retails for $25. I got number 2 Cool Neutral Shadows. You can take this part on the back and you can snap the palettes together. I mean, I'm not really excited about that because that's not like a feature that I would actually use, but I'm just hoping that I like the actual shadows themselves. So it has this nice little mirror, which is super cute, and you guys, look at those shades. Whew, those are like freaking everything. You have 4 shimmers, 2 mattes. This is definitely giving me like everyday kind of vibes. So yes, I'm definitely excited to use this. I see is by Tarte C, and this is the Glowition Skin Perfector. Really, really nice. Okay, so this is, okay, it says you can get a lit from within glow look, and this is supposed to give a luminous glow to the skin. So it's basically like a primer. It's supposed to like make your skin really like nice and hydrated and glowy and everything. So you know, I'm all for that. Even with me having oily skin, I do like my skin to have a healthy glow, you know. So that came in there. Highlighter palette. Super excited to get this in my box. So no mirror, but that's fine. So you have your 4 highlight shades, and look, the little honey thing. I think that is so cute with the little design in there. So it just basically has 4 different highlighters in here. And this retails for $38, which I feel like is a good price. So the other month, it looks like this. So let's read up on this and see what this does. So it says that it is a sonic powered tool that delivers a facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Okay, so this is not something that I would use every day, I don't think. I mean, I would probably save this for like when I do my mask and I just kind of like want to smooth out my skincare mask. I would probably definitely use it for that. But this is just way too similar to the Luxe and Willow one that I got that I absolutely love. So I don't think I would really get a lot of use out of that one. But this retails for $58. All right, the next product that we have is by Herbivore, and this is their Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarifying Mask. And this retails for $48. And this is just a mask that's supposed to clarify the skin, soothe your skin, and reduce redness and irritation. As you can see, I definitely have some breakouts coming. So I will do a separate review on this. I will not be trying that one today, but I definitely want to see what that's all about. And the last thing that came in here is by Hey Honey. This is their Trick and Treat Lip Balm. I love how they threw that in there now. They probably could have waited until October, you know, for the whole trick or treat theme, but that's okay. So this is a berry lip balm. It has castor bean oil and honey to keep the lips hydrated. And listen, these joints right here be chapped and dry and crusty and everything else. So I would definitely be using that and try this lip balm so that can kind of be setting on my lips while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. this is the completed look. So overall, I actually like these products. The only thing was just that Fenty, absolutely not. Like, that is definitely going on my Macari today. Like, no. Hated those shadows, but everything else looks really good, you guys. Like, I'm actually kind of happy with my boxes this month, aside from that Fenty. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely let me know what you think about this combined style of video. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time in my next tutorial. Bye.